Howdy, Whitlock. When I heard that my man Tony could be practicing within the month, I started spinning around like a pig on a spit. Yeehaw! Should I rush him back the moment he's ready to go?
Hell no. No. Listen, you rest this guy and make sure that when he comes back, he's 100% healthy. If I'm Tony Romo, I don't allow them to rush me back. Because if he comes back and he's compromised and his play suffers...
It's over.
And Dak Prescott looks like anything, it's over for him. If he comes back halfway, 8 games, 9 games into the season, and is completely healthy and can help them maybe make a last-ditch effort to make the playoffs, then he's a viable guy even next year for the Cowboys or some other team, but don't rush back.
Tony Romo, for the first time in his career, needs to be selfish. I think he's a team guy. I think quarterbacks should be team guys. This is the end of the road. Tony Romo's got to be selfish. If he comes in, early gets hurt again, you know Steven and Jerry have made the decision, we're not picking up the contract. This is one of those rare times when I think a quarterback needs to worry about himself above the team. Tony has won a lot of football games for that franchise and made the Jones family billions of dollars. Now he's got to take care of Tony.
Because I'm Mr. NFL around here, I've looked at the schedule. I've circled the date, November 6th at Cleveland. They've already had the bye week. Perfect time to come back for Romo against an awful defense. Romo comes back in November, sets up the table for the rest of the season.
I want to circle back, and I'm not comparing him to this guy, but we saw Tiger Woods rush back, and it damaged the last 8 years of his career. Tony Romo has to be selfish. He's made a lot of money. I disagree with you. I don't think he's made that much money for the Cowboys. They can put me or you at quarterback, and they're going to print money. But he owes it to himself at the end of his career to be in the best shape of his life when he does return to the field.
All right.